Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on LENOVO Tab P12. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now click open, then click agree and continue. Then you have to close this ad, and now click allow and click consent. Now click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. And now you can close this ad. And now, as you can see, I'm connected to VPN. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.